Less than tittle greater than Rendertry momentum builds as price tests key resistance levels. Less than tittle greater than 60-minute candlestick chart, moving averages, volume analysis. Rendertry's current price of $274.60 is trading above the 20-day moving average, $273.10, and the 50-day moving average, $272.80, indicating short-term bullish momentum. However, it remains below the 100-day moving average, $276.40, suggesting cautious optimism. Over the past week, trading volume surged by 18% on days when the price approached $275, reflecting strong buying interest. However, volume dropped by 12% during consolidation periods around $272. With a daily volume of 1013.92K, Rendertry is experiencing a consistent rise in liquidity, which often precedes significant price movements. A breakout above $276 could trigger further upward momentum. Relative Strength Index (RSI) analysis. The RSI stands at 51.39, a neutral level, suggesting neither overbought nor oversold conditions. Historically, when RSI ranged between 50 and 55, Rendertry prices often experienced moderate upward movement. For example, in October, a similar RSI led to a price increase from $260 to $270 within 5 days. With RSI stabilizing around 51, there is room for further price growth without triggering overbought conditions, making the current level attractive for buyers. Stochastic oscillator analysis. The stochastic oscillator is at 81.53, indicating an overbought condition. Historically, when stochastic values exceeded 80, Rendertry saw brief pullbacks before resuming upward trends. In early November, a similar overbought level preceded a $4 dip, followed by a $10 rally. Investors should watch for minor corrections but maintain a bullish outlook, as stochastic indicators align with bullish patterns in trending markets. MACD and signal line analysis. The MACD value is -0.20, below the signal line, -1.14, indicating bearish divergence in the short term. However, the MACD histogram shows a narrowing negative gap, signaling weakening bearish momentum. In October, a similar narrowing led to a $12 price rally within a week. If the MACD crosses above the signal line, Rendertry could shift into a stronger bullish trend, with potential targets of $280 or higher. Bollinger Bands analysis. Rendertry's price is nearing the upper Bollinger Band at $284.86, reflecting increased volatility. Prices outside the bands often indicate significant directional movement. In September, a similar touch of the upper band preceded a $15 surge within 2 days. If the price consolidates above the mid-band, $268.37, Rendertry could see further upward movement, with $284.30 acting as the next key resistance. Fibonacci retracement analysis. Rendertry is trading near the 23.6% Fibonacci level, $250.79, but approaching resistance at $284.30, the 0% retracement. Historically, Rendertry has respected the 38.2%, $230.06, and 50%, $213.30, levels during pullbacks, offering strong support. A breakout above $284.30 could open the door to a move towards $300, while downside support lies around $250.80. Daily candlestick chart and volume, 1-year analysis. Over the past year, Rendertry reached a high of $290 in August and a low of $200 in February. The current price of $274.60 is just 5.3% below its annual high. Average daily volume has increased by 22% since Q3, indicating growing investor interest. Notably, price spikes above $280 in Q4 corresponded with a 30% volume increase. Sustained trading above $275 could position Rendertry for a retest of its $290 annual high. Candlestick chart and volume, 3-year analysis. Long-term analysis shows strong support at $200, tested multiple times since 2022. Resistance at $300 remains a psychological barrier, with prior attempts in 2023 failing to break through. Volume has steadily increased, with average weekly trading volume up 35% compared to 2022. If Rendertry maintains its upward trajectory, breaking the $284.30 resistance could catalyze a test of $300. Less than comprehensive analysis greater than Rendertry's current price of $274.60 reflects a balance of bullish momentum and cautious sentiment. Indicators like RSI, 51.39, and the Bollinger Bands suggest the coin has room to grow, while the stochastic oscillator warns of potential minor pullbacks. Volume trends align with price action, highlighting growing market interest. MACD signals point to weakening bearish momentum, indicating a possible shift to bullish territory. With strong support at $250.80, Fibonacci 23.6%, and resistance at $284.30, Rendertry is positioned for a potential breakout. Investors should monitor price action around these levels, as a move above $284.30 could set the stage for a run toward $300.